Well, they can be, and that's because most people cannot judge contributions directly, either because they don't have the time to engage or it's outside of their subfield. And so they need some sort of indirect indicator. And it can be particularly tricky for an interdisciplinary field such as bioinformatics, where you risk being judged by by standards of a different field. So if the award is credible, it can be something that is more informative than, say, the impact factor of the journal in which you've published your work. So the SIB Award Committee is composed of accomplished bioinformaticians who want to defend the standards of excellence in bioinformatics. And so that means not only, of course, academic rigor, but also breakthrough character, sustainability, usability for if it's a tool or a resource, and overall the contribution to the field. And in particular, we abide by the DORA principles of not judging work using journal metrics such as the impact factor as a surrogate measure, and instead really engage with the applications and try to judge them directly. We also try to overcome unconscious biases such as those that are associated with gender, minorities, particular subfields, or even particular affiliations. Of course, I have tips. So the first one is read the instructions very carefully. This is important here, but it's also important in life in general. Second, the committee will contain perhaps 1 or 2 persons in your subfield, but most other members will be outside of it. And so you have to make sure that what you write is understandable and compelling to them. These are the ones who are going to make really a difference. Also, don't rehash information that could be easily obtained otherwise. Rather draw the attention of the panel and the judge on the non-obvious aspects of your work. Also, make sure that you establish clearly what your contributions were in the work. Then get feedback early on from peers and from your mentor. And then finally, please consider applying, particularly if you belong to a minority, if you are a woman, if you work in particular underrepresented subfields, because it's really important that we can get a representative set of application. All the past winners applied in the first place. So we really want you to consider sending your best work, and we look forward to getting it.